Very good morning, dear smarts. Yesterday we finished in 1.2. In 1.2, some more problems are there. I will tell after opening of those because of the lengthy theorem sum up. So now I am sorting 1.3. 1.3. In 1.3, write the following rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating decimal form of a non-terminating or a non-terminating repeating decimal forms. Terminating or non-terminating repeating. So the first one is 3 by 8. 3 by 8. You just divide, do the division here. 3. Take like that. Do the division. 0 point. Here put 0. 0.30. 30 means 3 8s are 24. Subtract 6. 60. 7 8s are 56. 4 0 40. 5 8s are 40. Remainder 0. So in quotient 0.375 quotient. It's over. The division. Remainder 0. When the remainder 0, over the division. So 3 by 8 equal to 0.375. Rational numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating decimal form or non-terminating repeating decimal form. This is non-terminating. Second, 229 by 400. 229 by 400. 229 take 400 by divide by 400. So 229 is the smaller. So that's why 0 point. Put 0 or assume 0. 0 point. How many times? 5 times. 5 times. 5 times. 5 fours are 20. 290. Second, put 0. 2900. How many times? 6 times. 7 times. 7 times. 7 times means 7 fours are 20. 100. Subtract. 100. Put 0. 1000. 2 times. 800. 200. Put 0. 2000. 2000. 5 times. 0 remainder. 0 remainder. So copy down children. Terminating decimal. This is also terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Okay, next. 2 by 11. 2 by 11. This is fourth one. 2 0.20. 1 time 11. 9 0, put 0. 90. 8 11s are 88. 2, 20. 1 11s are 11. 9. Again 9. 90. 90. 8 11s are 88. 2, 20. 20 means 111. 9. 9. 90. Again 8. 88. 2, 20. 111. 11. 9. 81. 81. 81 is the repeating. Repeating. It is repeating. State which are terminating or which have non-terminating. Repeating decimal. It is non-terminating. Non-terminating. Non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal or repeating decimal. Here two types of terminating decimal, non-terminating or repeating decimal. Repeating this 81, 81 repeating. Of course, tomorrow by this time onwards, if we have been doing compulsory, the answer repeating 81, 81, 81. Okay, copy down. The second one, without performing division, without do division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal form or a non-terminating repeating decimal form. We decide without division. Is it the terminating or non-terminating? They give it. It's very simple. First, observe the denominator. In the denominator, the form is, in the denominator, if we write 2 power n into 5 power m, the form is in the denominator. If it is in the form 2 power n into 5 power m, 2 power n into 5 power m, or any of 2 power n into 5 power m, those will be the terminating decimals. It's very important. Note this. Those will be the terminating decimals. Otherwise, they won't be terminating decimals. They won't be largest number. That's why we take like this 5. 6 5s are 30, 12, 2 5s are 5 5s are. Again 5, 12 5s are 5 5s are. Again 5, 2 5s, 5 5s. Again 5, 5. So 1325 equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 2 3 4 5. 5 into 5. This is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. 5 cube, 5 power 5. 5 power 5. So 1325, 125 equal to 13 by 5 power 5. This is equal to 5 power m in the form of 5 power m. So it is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. It is terminating decimal. It's very simple. We don't do complete division. Just we can observe, we can write like this. Smaller numbers, no problem. If like this, bigger numbers, we find. And again, (64 by 455). Third, 64 by 455. 455. 455. Once check, can we write 5 square or 5 power m or 2 power n? 455. 5 9 5s 1 5. Next, we cannot write it 5 power m or 2 square 2 power n. It's not in the form. Denominator not in the form. 2 power n into 5 power m. So given is non-terminating. Ray undakna non-terminating. Children, do the remaining in exercise 1.3. See you later. Bye.